I never like playing chess, but I love watching the Queen Gambit on Netflix. As the main character, you discover a young girl from an orphanage becoming one of the best chess players on the planet. In this video, I am going to teach you the 3 best secrets from the Queen Gambit to make your life better and happier. Hi, my name is Olivier and I am an idealist from Quebec, Canada. In this YouTube series, I tell you everything you need to know to be happy and stay positive. If you want other videos about TV series, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, activate the notification. Secret number 1, learn to dress well. You don't need to live in a penthouse or drive a beautiful car to be happy, but you must learn to dress well. In the Queen Gambit, the main character, Berth Harmon, was bullied at school just because she was wearing unattractive clothes. Perhaps it is not that important for you to think about the clothes that you want to wear, but it is for other people. 95% of what other people see at you are your clothes, so you definitely want to take the time to think about the clothes that you want to wear. When I was at high school, I saw a lot of bullying, but it all stopped when the school decided that each student were now wearing uniform. Just because of that, most of the bullies stopped to be aggressive. Did you notice that most of spiritual leaders, such as the Dalai Lama, the Pope, Joel Osteen, etc., wear attractive clothes even if they say they live in poverty? You should definitely take the time to think about the clothes that you want to wear in order to make your life better and happier. Secret number 2, get all the books and magazines you can about your passion. Berth Harmon didn't have the money to buy books. Instead, she stole magazines about chess. You should definitely get your own books. You don't even need to go to public libraries. You should not save money by going to public libraries. Instead, you want to save your time by buying your own books that you can read it several times at your house. If I could only recommend one author for your own happiness and success, that would be Napoleon Hill. I read more than 500 personal development books, and I can say by far that Napoleon Hill is probably one of the best. Just by reading and applying his books, you can become as successful as Berth Harmon. If you think that it is expensive books, try ignorance, as will say Abraham Lincoln. If you think that you are too busy right now to read books, it will be worse in the future. As we become older, we become busier. The right moment for you to read books is now. Click the link below the description. Secret number 3, make your opponent that you defeat become your best ally. Each opponent of Berth Harmon became her friend. They never searched for vengeance. Instead, they helped her win chess tournament. How do we make sure that people around you never search for vengeance? By investing in your own character. If you make your duty to be good with other people, they will never consider you as a bad person. Usually, people search for vengeance when they consider the other person as evil, as bad. The key is to always be polite on any circumstances. You can never be too polite. If you make sure that you are always polite, you will definitely make your life better and happier. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and activate the notification. I just published a new book named Become a Star. Be happy, think big, and attract success. I want you to get it right now because I believe in you that you can be as happy and successful as Berth Harmon. What are your thoughts about the Queen Gambit? Comment the video to interact with other idealists.